87% of Americans say they want to invest but never actually do it. Not because they don't have money, not because they're not smart enough, but because the financial system was deliberately designed to keep regular people out and make sure the wealthy stayed wealthy. Meanwhile, the average American loses over $1.4 million in potential wealth throughout their lifetime simply by not investing. That number is not an exaggeration. That is the real cost of waiting. But today, everything changes for you. Today, you are going to learn exactly how artificial intelligence is completely rewriting the rules of personal finance. And the best part is that you do not need to be an expert. You do not need thousands of dollars saved up, and you do not need a finance degree to get started. Stay until the end because I am going to reveal the specific tools you can use today, right now, to make your money start working for you while you sleep, while you eat, and while you go about your daily life. Let's be completely honest for a second. How many times have you thought about investing but had absolutely no idea where to start? How many times have you heard someone say, "You need to invest your money," but nobody ever sat down and explained exactly how to do it when you only have a little money to spare? There is a very clear reason that happens. For decades, the entire world of investing was built exclusively for the wealthy. Banks charged massive fees that wiped out any small gains. Financial advisors refused to work with clients who did not already have tens of thousands of dollars to hand over. And all the critical information was buried behind complicated financial jargon that regular hardworking people simply could not understand. The system was not broken. It was working exactly as the people at the top designed it to work. But in 2026, that system is finally being dismantled. And the force responsible for tearing it down has a name: artificial intelligence. The AI revolution has democratized access to investing in a way that we have never seen before in the entire history of personal finance. Today, any person with a smartphone and a basic internet connection can access the same sophisticated tools that the biggest investors on Wall Street have been using for years. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to put those tools to work for your financial future. Before I show you the specific tools, you need to understand why artificial intelligence is so uniquely powerful in the world of finance. Think about it this way. Imagine having a personal financial advisor who is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. An advisor who can analyze thousands of data points in a matter of seconds, who never panics and makes emotional decisions when the market drops, who does not charge you hundreds of dollars per hour, and who tailors every single recommendation specifically to your personal financial situation. That is exactly what AI does for you, and it does it for free or for a few dollars a month. AI algorithms can analyze in real time the behavior of financial markets, breaking global economic news, the performance trends of specific companies, and decades of historical investment patterns all at once to give you precise, personalized recommendations. Something that would take a professional human analyst weeks of intensive research, AI accomplishes in under 30 seconds. And here is the fact that almost nobody in mainstream media is talking about: the largest investment funds on the planet. Firms like BlackRock and Vanguard, which together manage over $20 trillion in assets, already rely heavily on artificial intelligence to drive their investment decisions. The technology that powers billion-dollar portfolios is now sitting in the palm of your hand. Now, let's get into the part you actually came here for. The specific tools you can start using today, even if you have never invested a single dollar in your entire life. The first tool is ChatGPT or any other free AI assistant you already have access to on your phone. Before you invest a single cent anywhere, use AI to analyze your personal financial situation from the ground up. Tell it exactly how much you earn each month, how much your fixed expenses are, how much you spend on food and entertainment, and what your short and long-term financial goals look like. The AI will generate a completely personalized investment plan tailored to your specific numbers, completely free of charge. A traditional financial advisor would charge you anywhere from $200 to $500 just for that initial consultation. The second category of tools is investment platforms that already have AI built directly into them. Applications like eToro and several others available in the United States already use AI algorithms internally to suggest investment strategies based on your individual risk profile and financial goals. Many of these platforms allow you to start investing with as little as $10. You read that correctly. $10 is a legitimate starting point for building real, lasting wealth when you use the right tools and the right strategy. The third tool is robo-advisors. These are fully automated investment systems powered entirely by artificial intelligence that manage your money without requiring you to make any active decisions. You simply tell the system how much you want to invest each month and how comfortable you are with risk, and the algorithm handles everything else automatically. It rebalances your portfolio, reinvests your returns, and continuously optimizes your holdings. Companies like Betterment and Wealthfront have made this level of sophisticated, automated investing available to absolutely anyone. If this content is genuinely helping you, and you finally feel like someone is explaining how money actually works, without trying to sell you something, do one simple thing right now. Hit that subscribe button below. It is free. It takes 2 seconds, and it guarantees you will not miss the upcoming videos where we go even deeper into real tools and strategies to transform your financial life. We are building a community of people who are done being left behind financially. Come be part of it. Now, here is the exact step-by-step process to get you started today, even if you are beginning from absolute zero. Step 1 is to organize your finances before anything else. This is the step most people skip, and it is exactly why they fail. Before a single dollar gets invested, you need a crystal clear picture of your monthly cash flow. Open ChatGPT right now and send it this exact message. Help me build a personal monthly budget. I earn this amount, and my recurring expenses are these. Within seconds, you will have a detailed, organized breakdown of your finances. That document becomes the foundation of your entire investment strategy. Step 2 is to build your emergency fund. Before you invest anywhere, you need between 3 and 6 months of essential living expenses in a savings account you do not touch except for real emergencies. AI can help you calculate exactly how large that fund needs to be and how fast you can build it. This step is not optional. It is the safety net that lets you invest without panic. Step 3 is to begin with low-risk, diversified investments. If you are brand new to investing, stay far away from individual stocks and cryptocurrency in the beginning. Start with index funds or ETFs, which are investment vehicles that track the overall performance of broad markets like the S&P 500. These instruments have delivered average annual returns of between 7 and 10% historically, with far less risk than trying to pick individual winners. Ask your AI assistant which specific index funds align best with your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. Step 4 is to automate everything. Set up a recurring monthly transfer to your investment account. Even $20 a month builds the habit and starts compounding. The secret is not one large dramatic move. It is quiet, relentless consistency over time. Let automation handle the discipline so your emotions never get in the way. Now I want to share one concept that is going to fundamentally shift how you think about money and time. It is called compound interest, and Albert Einstein reportedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. He said those who understand it earn it, and those who do not pay it. If you begin investing just $50 per month today into an index fund averaging 8% annual returns, in 10 years you would have roughly $9,000. In 20 years, nearly $29,000. And in 30 years, over $75,000. From $50 a month. Now imagine layering AI optimization on top of that. The numbers become extraordinary. The difference between the person who starts today and the person who waits one more year is not 12 months. It is thousands of dollars in future wealth that can never be recovered. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Let's bring it all together. AI has permanently torn down the walls that kept regular people out of investing. You can start today with $10. The roadmap is clear. Organize your finances with AI. Build your emergency fund, start with index funds, and automate your contributions. Time and consistency are your greatest assets. So here is the question that matters most. Are you going to watch this video and go back to doing exactly what you were doing before? Or are you going to open ChatGPT tonight and type, "Help me build my first personal investment plan"? The information is in your hands. The tools are free. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now.